Now, thank you everyone for subscribing to my YouTube channel and everything you've been doing. I really appreciate your effort for supporting my dream and pushing my dream to the height. God bless all of you in Jesus' name. Now, let's say you come across this question, the sum of an AP. This is sum of an AP. Now, you must know something, that sum of an AP is different from n term of an AP. Like, you need to know these two differences. Sum of an AP is not like the n term of an AP. The two has different formula. Now when they say find the n term of an AP, n term of an AP, this is the formula. Tn equals to a plus bracket n minus 1d. That is this formula. But the sum of an AP, this is the formula here. The sum of an AP, this is the formula. Now you are given this question. They say find the n term, the sum of the first 20 term of AP. Look at the terms here: 5, 8, 11, 14. They say we should find the 20th, the sum of the 20th term, but we don't know. That's why they say we should find it. Now, one thing you must know is follow the formula. One thing, make I tell you something about mathematics. One thing about mathematics, you must know the formula. Once you are able to know, like you know this formula, my brothers and sisters, maths is a walkover, something for you. You don't have to start struggling again. Know the formula and know the basics. Let me tell you something. Now let's go on now. Now let's solve. Already, for you to first, you must know the first term of the AP. Then you must know the D is what we know as the difference. Now I will bring all this something I will bring here now, so that I will explain to you. N represent the number of terms you are looking for. Of terms. Now we have A. This A you are seeing here represent the first term. Then D is equals to the difference. The difference. D represent difference. And what does this D represent? That means you should minus 8 from the 5, the first term. You will get D. That's what they mean. Just minus 8 from 5, you will get your D. Then you already know say now 5 be the starting, so now 5 be A. That be the first term wey they start with. So now 5 be the first term. Then if you minus 8 from the first one, and the answer you get now be your D. So now let's go on now. Already what Sn, we are looking for sum of 20, and already this n is the number of term, which is the 20 we are looking for. We put 20 all over the 2. Are you following? Then bracket our 2. A is what? Our A is 5. 5 close bracket, then plus, let's follow. The n is what? 20. 20 minus 1. Okay. 20 minus 1. Then D. Our D, 8 minus 5 is what? 3. I believe you are following. Now let's break this thing down. Let me write it small so that everything can be in a straight line. Now Sn is equals to 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. Bracket 2 times 5 will give us 10 plus. Now 20 minus 9 will give us 19 on 3. Are you following now? Everything is now on a straight line now. I'll put it on a straight line now. Next step is Sn equals to 10 bracket 10 plus. Now let's do 19 times 3 will give us 57. That is 19 times 3. If you open the bracket, 19 times 3 will give us what? 57. Now let's go on now. Sn equals to 10 bracket. Now 10 plus 57, we have what? 67. Are you following? Now, are you following? The next step now, we will now use this 10 to multiply the 67 now. So our sum of the first 20th term of this AP that was given is equals to 10 times 67 will give us 670, because 1 times 67 is 67. Just add the 0. That is your final answer. Very cheap. It's not something you will start battling with. You just need to know the formula and start following it. Already we know our n is the number of term we are looking for, and it's 20. That's the reason you are seeing 20 on top of the n. All over the constant 2. Then this 2, then our A is already 5. That is why you saw 5 there. Plus our n is 20. We already know it's 20. Then the minus 1, close bracket. Then our D, if we minus 8 from 5, it will give us 3. That is our D. That's how we got this 3. So we will not
equate 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. 2 times 5 will give us 10, plus 19 times 20 minus 1 and 19. 19 times 3 will give us 57. When we add 10 and 57 together, it gives us 67. Then we now multiply 10 and 67 together, it now give us 70. Now this is your SN, the sum of the first 20 term of this AP. That is just it. Now if you do it on that method, I just be doing 5. I just be adding 3 to all this number till you get to the 20. You see that you will arrive this C70 normal kindergarten method. Just be adding 5 plus 3 8 plus 3 11 plus 3 14 plus till you get to 20. You see that you arrive this C70. But you just have to use this short formula to get the answer. That is just it. Now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know you don't have you have questions to ask me and you are a bit confused, you can private me in the comment section and I will answer you politely. Thank you and God bless you.